Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to trade on Bitfinex. So in order to trade on Bitfinex, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your Bitfinex. And after you're logged into your account, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So now make sure that you have enough funds in your exchange wallet that you are directed to after login. Find the ticker box. So right on this page, look for the asset that you wish to buy. Now therefore, let's look for the BTC or USDT pair, and you can enter BTC into the ticker box and also use the drop down menu on the left to search for the code currency, that is USDT. Now on the same trading page, find the order form visit. This is where you can enter the detail of the trade you wish to make. Now since this is an exchange trade, be sure to select exchange on the top left hand side corner of the order form. Now if you select limit order as your order type, you will need to enter the order size and the price. You can also choose from a variety of other order types and learn more about order type here. Using the BTC or USDT example, this would mean specifying how much BTC you would like to buy for what price in the USDT. Alternatively, if you choose a market order, your order will be executed at a current market price and therefore there is no need to fill in the price. Now order will appear in the order visit, showing information about your trade before it executes. You can also cancel and edit trade or trader as you wish to. From more information, you have to view the order block edit. Once your trade has been executed, the funds will be credited to your exchange wallet. The executed order will be moved to the order history visit. Now you can also track your order on the report page under the order directly under ledger. So that's basically how you can trade on Bitfinex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.